another.
Yeah, first let's take a look at those 2 wickets that fell in the previous over. Wanted to clear long off, could not. And then he came, he swept, he perished. 2 wickets. So back to the story. Bipin Saurabh.
Yes, but if you look at, we are in the middle of the tournament, and if there is one player who has impressed most, it is Bipin Saurabh, undoubtedly. And let me tell all the viewers the interesting story behind the, emergence of Bipin Saurabh as a fine cricketer from Bihar, because we all are seeing his batting prowess on the field. But if you look at his background, that is quite interesting.
For sure. Interesting is Bihar Cricket League 2, and we are here to unearth quite a few number of gems. One gem that we're talking about is Bipin Saurabh. Renowned journalist Vimal Kumar is throwing light on him at the moment. Proceeding stands that 85 for 4. What else did you discover when you were speaking with him? One more run taken easily.
He comes from Aurangabad, and it's a typical rest from the riches story as far as Bihar Cricket League goes. We have seen this kind of a story, too many stories in fact, in IPL. But this is a typical story, and I think it goes beyond the boundaries.
For sure, and they haven't gone towards the boundary for a very long time, these players. Because 2 wickets can really dent your confidence, will pick things back. They're keeping it very tight at the moment. Very soft-spoken Bipin Saurabh, isn't he?
He comes from a very humble background. He comes from Aurangabad, and a lot of fellow players, they did not want to obviously reveal their names, but they told me that this guy didn't even have the basic facilities at his home.
Yeah, and in adverse circumstances, character is developed. Character is not developed in ease and quiet. Character is developed when the things are tough, when you have your back against the wall, when you find the two ends to be a very tough thing. We'll continue more on that. 11 overs gone, 88 for 4.